this. This is some shit.
600 feet. Turn right.
This is
then
nuts.
turn left.
People sliding through stop signs and all that stuff. I'm taking the side roads back home. I'm not going to do the freeway. People are too crazy. Even I slide. I hope people are keeping their distance from me. Some crazy shit. First bad snow of the year. What do you do? Well, wish me luck. I got a long way to go yet. Alright, let's try this again. I am on the road. It is shit. It's snowing like crap. It is Wisconsin weather though. And it's coming across all of, well, Illinois, Minnesota, all that. So, but here, let's take a look at what it looks like out front. I just hope the people behind me don't get too close in case I have to stop. So, but to be safe, I'm going to shut this down and drive like a good person. See ya. Still on the road.
1,000 feet.
And
keep left to Wisconsin 59.
It's bad. Like, see, I'm hitting the brakes now and I'm still just moving. Yeah, that's how it is here. Everything's sliding. People jumping the middle aisles and stuff, so. Well, I'm gonna go again. See ya. There. Yep. It is what it is. Yeah, that almost looks like whiteout up a bit, don't it? Should we see if we can get the blue car to disappear? Still see him. Look at it. It's winter wonderland. I know one person in the Philippines that would appreciate this. Brian. Call out to Brian, Philly in the Philippines. How would you like to have some of this once in a while, huh? I don't know. Up in Baguio, maybe. But last time I was there in October, it wasn't that cold. It was actually warm. But anyway, I gotta get back to driving. Well, if it ain't the snow, it's a train slowing us down. Oh well. There we go. Got the end of that one done. Now we get all these cars we gotta go behind. Nice easy ride home. Oh well. Back to driving. Well, I gotta get some gas at the local BP. I get 5 cents off on all my purchases when I use my card. But yeah, this is it. Let me flip you around. Take a look. There we go. Look at that. 289. It's coming down because we're depleting all of our oil reserves here, so when China attacks we won't have shit to do anything with. So. There you go. Lotteries are up to 379, 160, and 13.5. Look at all that traffic on the road. It's not so bad out this way compared to where I was. In Milwaukee it was really bad. But okay, I'm done tanking up. Gotta go. Bye.